Hello everyone, Secret Super Chef is back again. Today I present to you a Moroccan dish called as tagine. Take the saffron and add some warm water to it. We need this saffron infusion in our recipe. Soak the basmati rice for 30 minutes. Boil water along with some salt and add the soaked rice. Cook the rice till 3/4 done. Strain and run it under cold water. Take an eggplant and cut it into half. Thinly slice them lengthwise. Drizzle some olive oil and brush it all over. Sprinkle some salt. Grind some fresh peppercorns. Bake these slices in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. For the gravy, add onions in oil. Saute the onions. Add sliced garlic. In goes the turmeric powder, the red chilli powder, the cinnamon powder, the cumin powder, the garam masala, salt as per your taste, and some fresh crushed black peppercorns. Mix all the spices well. Toss the sliced mushrooms. Mix it well. Cook the mushrooms till the entire moisture dries up. This is our filling. Now take 3 eggs in a bowl. Add salt as per taste. Add fresh pepper. In goes our saffron infusion and the curd. Whisk everything together. Make sure no lumps are formed. Add this mixture to our rice. Gently mix everything. We'll use this rice in layers. Take a Bundt pan and grease it well. At the bottom, add 1 layer of our rice. Press it well. Now add a mushroom filling in the middle. Tighten it as well. Arrange our eggplant slices all around. Top it with another layer of the rice. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in the oven for half an hour. Add butter in a pan. Add pistachios. Now add the cranberries too. Fry for some time. Our baked tagine is ready. Slowly unmold the rice. Use a flat plate for this. Transfer the tagine into the serving dish and sprinkle the fried pistachio and cranberries over it. This dish is flavorful as it is, but if you want, you can serve it with some yogurt. Half cup thick curd can be used to substitute the eggs. Subscribe my channel and like my recipes. Thank you.